Namaste students. I JVN Dr. Naran Singh Shekhawat, Assistant Professor, Department of Salyatantra, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In previous class, we discussed about chest disease. Now we will discuss today uh, about esophagus disorders. Behind before starting class, we discuss about anatomy of esophagus. What is the what is the location of esophagus, where is the location of esophagus, and parts of the esophagus. From mouth to from mouth from mouth to stomach, the food tube consists of oral cavity, pharynx, and esophagus. From mouth to stomach, the food tube consists of oral cavity, pharynx, and esophagus. Esophagus is very muscular and collapse when empty. It serves as a dynamic tube, pushing food towards the stomach from mouth to stomach. The esophagus is posted to the trachea, means trachea is front in the neck, then the posterior side of in trachea there is a stomach. Sorry, esophagus. Stomach length is 18 to 25 centimeter. This is the average length of. This is the range of esophagus. The esophageal line is protected by stratified squamous epithelium. Stratified, stratified squamous epithelium. The scattered submucosal mucous gland provide lubrication to food. It serves as a wet lining capable of withstanding relatively moderate abrasive stress. The esophagus produces bicarbonate and mucus that produce lubrication to food. The bicarbonate buffers the acid and mucus, forming a protective barrier of esophagus. This creates an environment in the esophagus of a higher pH than that of the stomach. The pH in esophagus is normally about 7 to 8, means just basic. Where the pH in the stomach is generally 2 to 4, means highly acidic pH in stomach and slightly basic in esophagus. The word esophagus, which derived from Greek word oesophagos, which means to carry, to eat, means अपन जो खाना खाना उसको कैरी करना, फॉर टू ईट खाने के लिए, खाने को कैरी करना, खाने के लिए खाने को कैरी करना, ये किसका फंक्शन है? esophagus का. Now dividation of esophagus, two parts. First one is upper part and lower part. It is a sphincter to prevent air from entering the esophagus during respiration. The sphincter generally only opens for food to pass, not for air. Lower part, it has a sphincter that open while food is being passed into the stomach. It is known as LES. LES means lower esophageal sphincter. These are about the theory of esophagus. Now you can see in diagram. This is the pharynx. Then food food is going from upper esophageal sphincter, means upper part. Then this is the fourth one is lower esophageal sphincter. In consequence, this is a stomach. This is the whole part of esophagus, pharynx, then esophageal sphincter, upper esophageal, then lower esophageal sphincter. This is all about the esophagus. all about the this way. This digital session, this digital session powered by Digital Session 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Hope students, hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query or doubt, please mention in comment box. It I will resolve it soon. Thank you, students.